Okay, dumb money concepts for February 13th. Let's look at it. This is what I did today, literally on stream. I'm going to break it down for you guys perfectly. Here's the New York Open, right? And you can see I drew a little arrow here on stream and I said, hey, it's probably going to go down. And I thought so, especially with this wick, right? We seen that, okay, 4 hour was looking like it could have been possibly failing to gain these highs, especially after that 15. So that 15 was getting rejected. I thought for sure it was going to go down. I entered in some shorts, right? Right as we got that 5 minute confirmation, okay? The issue is we gained it again on this candle, right? We gained those levels. So that was the retest and the buy back up. Once the 4 hour I had closed for negative $2,000, negative 1,800, okay? So we'll call it 2,000, okay? The next thing was, okay, 4 hour closed. We saw that, which is very obvious. You can see the two levels here. Boom, boom. This is literally all you need to know, guys. 4 hour closed. We retest those levels. I entered two big old longs there. 5 contracts, right? I had 5 contracts total. I did 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, right? So 5, okay? And then let that run. All I needed, so just so you guys are aware, all I needed, because I was trading on Top Step, was to get this, because that would have been the maximum daily amount that I'm allowed to have, which is 4,500 or whatever. That's what I got, right? And then we called on stream that it was going to go where? Right here. This is all on the stream for today. If you guys wanted to look at the stream, February 13th, you can literally see exactly what happened. This would have been $10,000 profit with five contracts, right? We closed it out here instead, okay? On the new highs. We broke the new highs. Why did I know it was going to go to those new highs? Well, we can watch the trend progress and we can say, hey, look, we can break it down. We already had an idea. Okay, the 4 hours, so we wanted to buy in there, which we did, okay? And then as those 5 minutes, you can see, okay, look, 5 minute close beyond. So you're going to have that little wiki retest there, tiny, tiny one. So we know that's going to at least break this. So that was the close. So literally, this was the whole trade, okay? But we could have doubled it, okay? Why would I have doubled it? Well, because this was the next high time frame level to reject off of. So probably it's going to go there. But what we can see is, okay, we should see a pullback here. Is it continuing to make new highs, right? And if we had consolidated here, it might have made sense to get out, okay? But the reality is, this is what we thought was more probable to go, and as long as it keeps closing beyond, we're going to go there, okay? Next, what happens? I didn't trade the rest of this now. I'm done for the day. That's the maximum I can. That's the most I can make in a day is 4,000, okay? The most. That's a lot of money, right? But it would have gone for 5,000 if I was trading on a personal account, which I am not, okay? Which we might start building a personal account, and I'll show you guys on a personal account. I'll use an actual futures broker rather than a prop firm, and you guys can see the true power of this. When you do get funds on your own account, what you do is you start with a prop firm, and then you take all your profits, which I actually did. I took my first withdrawal and I put it in a MetaTrader account. Okay, now I'm trading on my own firm. It's only like $1,500 or whatever. No, sorry, my own account from the payouts I've gotten from Top Step. Now, I can't include Maven because Maven is my own company. I can't just like pretend like I'm withdrawing. Like, you know what I mean? I have to get an actual withdrawal from another firm. Otherwise, there could be speculation that it's not legitimate or something like this, right? Because you can change your orders if you do own the firm. That's just a fact, okay? You can change, you can delete trades basically, okay? Which I'm not willing to do. So that's why we're trading on another firm. Okay, so next thing is happening here. You watch that level. What happens at that level? Okay, great. We see the trend change. See the trend change. And we're closing back below that area. So this is that level on the 4 hour, right? That they've retested. And then that would have been your short. So you could have gone short here as well with a stop there, maybe double down right there. Maybe it's wider stop. I don't advocate stops. I advocate you exiting the trade manually based off of what's happening because stop losses are for morons. Okay. And you would have where? Targeted the origin of this move. All right, and that's all you had to do. You could have made even more money. Now what happens next? Let's look at the closes, right? The 2-hour close bearishly now, okay? So now we're looking at bears, and the 4 hour is going to close in 15 minutes, even more bearishly, failing to make new highs here. So I'm probably looking for shorts into power hour, okay? We got a couple more hours in the day. We're getting near the end of the day, so I'm probably going to look for shorts depending on how these closes are. And the reality is 15 minute, oh, that's nice. Once this closes in 2 minutes, I'm about to take another short on my personal account. Literally right now. I'm probably going to take another short and watch how it goes, okay? See you guys tomorrow.